It's my pleasure to welcome every one of you to this special event hosted by CADVision Systems in partnership with an important message of environmental social governance principle. Today, we are gathering to explore the cutting-edge engineering technology and sustainability, the more relevant and important topics than ever before. I would like to extend my warm welcome to all CADVision Systems customers. Your presence speaks volumes about your commitment towards responsible innovations and your desire to leverage technology for the betterment of the industry, society and environment.
Hello, my name is Nur Najwa. I'm the Regional Marketing Manager for CADVision Systems. So I would like to thank everyone that has attended our event this year, another year that we have completed the series of an Innovation Day for CADVision Systems. So I would like to thank our principal and also co-organizer, Dassault System, together with our sponsors and partners, and as well as our attendees, and to my team as well, the whole CADVision teams that made this event a successful one. So we are committed to deliver another unique experience for our customers and also our partners next year. So stay tuned for our next year event. So see you there.
Hello, hi everyone. 3DEXPERIENCE Work Innovation Day 2025 is a very good event for our Universiti Malaya, since this year they especially bring all the technology into our university, and we are very grateful to have this kind of event or booth that really can be a very good exposure to our students and communities in Universiti Malaya. So I really wish to have a very good collaboration with all of these communities so we can have a very successful event in the future.
Thank you, CADVision, for giving us an opportunity, right, to showcase our latest and greatest product, and also giving an opportunity for customer to have a proper touch and feel. Right? It is also our vision in Lenovo to showcase to customer our latest AI solution and how it can help them to drive more innovation, improve productivity, and also efficiency.
Hi, my name is Zul Hazin. I'm from Chemtron. Actually, Chemtron is authorized distributor reseller for Markforged. We are company HQ from Singapore, and in Malaysia we have national brand the USC Solutions in Berhad, based in Seti Alam. Chemtron in this CADVision event, we are bring our technology additive manufacturing for industrial 3D printer by Markforged. Markforged is provide the 3D printing using material advanced composite and metal.
Hi everyone, I'm YK Lee from Smart P Technology. Big thanks to CADVision for having us here to show what we are providing. So we are providing the TMS, tooling management system, to help people to manage their toolings in production floor with a high efficiency to make the productions never down. So we can have an upfront information for you to have the low inventory alert. You don't have to always find the last pieces in the drawer.
Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to our booth. I'm Everett from Marketing Engineering, Sendirian Berhad. We are the combustion specialized company. We are specialized in the biomass energy and combustion engineering. With the 40 years of experience, we are committed to the sustainable energy resources in future. And our business is focused in the biomass power plant, aligning with the global green energy directions. Fossil fuel is not the fuel it can be and is replaceable, making a biomass is alternative fuel for that. And here is our combustion technology, which is considered the boiler and the combustion grade. This system is work together to generate the water into the high pressure steam and temperature to drive the turbine and produce the power. Engineering is a foundation of our success, and decision is a paramount. Thanks to SolidWorks that give us a very detailed in designing, optimize the cost, and enhance the performance of our grade itself. Take a moment in our company profile and learn our innovative system. We are excited to share our journey and expertise with you. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Oyun Ting, and I'm the Secretary of REC, the Robotics Engineering Community from Universiti Malaya. So at REC, we do events related to robotics. So we do technical workshops related to robotics, such as programming ROS, Arduinos, and electronics. So this is the robot that we have built for the competition.
Hi everyone, we are from Taylor Universities and I'm the head for the Robotics Design and Developments programs. So we are showcasing here two of our robot dogs, and these robot dogs for the platform we purchased from the company called Unitrees, but then our students install different sensors on the robots to achieve different applications for these robots. So for example, the smaller robots, it can do followings to certain persons. So you have AI algorithms to recognize a person and then follow that person throughout the journey. And for our bigger robots, we have installed with a 3D LiDAR sensors where it can scan the surroundings. So after it scans the surrounding, it can build a map of the buildings. So these applications for this robot is that they can navigate through difficult terrain because they are quadrupedals. So they are not like the normal rovers which cannot go through the obstacles. So one of the applications will be search and rescue in any collapsed buildings. The robots can first penetrate through the buildings and then scan the surrounding, build the internal maps of the buildings, and then we can also install infrared cameras on it so that it can detect any survivors throughout the buildings.